kidding. El Cappy! Who knew we go fishing twice in 1 year together? I know you love me. I know. I'm your favorite. Just broke the inlet. Jeffy!
That's one.
5 minutes we've been fishing? 5 minutes? Seriously?
5 minutes into the evening.
Yo, here, pick him up by his tail.
Oh, you gotta get.
Pick him up. Come on, buddy. The rest of the night's gravy.
He's gonna beat you up.
Put the rod in the rod holder.
Cut his fucking gizzard.
Put the rod in the rod holder.
And they were down about 60 or 70.
You're gonna put that one back out. I ain't touching it.
Well,
Pick him up.
Give me that rag.
Just pick him up.
Oh, you
Nice.
fucking
You're such a goddamn sissy. All day we've been listening to him,
What
right?
a fucking system.
Who set the line?
He can't drive the boat with
Who set
me.
the line? You?
I set that
What are you,
line.
by yourself?
Me and you.
This motherfucker's slapping me.
He's gonna kick you in the
Take
ball
the
sack.
picture. Yeah, he just did. My little weenie.
Mary and Tony's working on
Pick
you.
him up with 2 hands. Come on. 2 hands. Nice yellowfin.
It is.
Yes.
Turn him sideways so you can see the whole.
Beautiful, Jeffy.
There you go.
Beautiful. Nice fish.
All right, let's get rid of
Nice.
this.
I can edit it out. It's recording.
All right. Tony's trying to pull a fish. He's still trying to pull a fish.
Yeah, I'm still trying. He was caught on the other
We
fish.
have 2.
He's a nice sized fish, dude.
All right, there's his head.
Get it?
Yeah, you're good. Put it back in.
Alright, we gotta get ice on top of it.
How do you shut this off?
Just hit the red button. Okay, we're on our way in. We didn't get very much video because there was only 3 of us. It's a little hard, but it's still beautiful out.